Hi, my name is Karen Patterson. I am an ERP strategy consultant with Revolution Group in Columbus, Ohio. We are a Plex implementation and development partner, and were recently named Partner of the Year for our consistent customer satisfaction and continuous innovation in the Plex marketplace. Today, I'd like to share with you an exciting advancement we made when we reimagined the complex configure-to-order opportunity-to-fulfillment business cycle. Companies that offer configurable product lines often have intense configure-to-order processes that require valuable product experts, kludgy estimating system, and too much time to estimate, validate, and communicate. CTO manufacturers frequently experience bottlenecks in their sales, estimating, and product launch processes that leave them vulnerable to market competition, expensive data replication activities, and customer satisfaction issues. Modern configure, price, quote, or CPQ applications like Configure One knock down the barriers and streamline the challenging configuration process, harnessing and standardizing the specialized knowledge of product experts. Using this technology, complex configurations can be created and estimated by internal sales reps, directly by distributors, or even exposed to customers for self-service configuration and estimation through a contemporary guided website experience. World-class ERP systems, such as the Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform, bring these unique manufacturers the ERP framework the future will be built on. Technology designed to work on industrial scale, at the speed of the 24/7, 365, always-on, hyper-connected, just-in-time global economy. Plex Smart Manufacturing offers a true breadth of superior ERP modules to meet the needs of today's CTO manufacturer. Use the Revolution connector to seamlessly link the impressive Configure One and Plex Smart Manufacturing systems, and you have a completely integrated solution that truly achieves best-of-breed status within the CTO manufacturing market. Imagine complex estimating and operations processes integrated in the cloud to enhance the connection between your customer and your shop floor, energizing sales and amplifying customer satisfaction. For sales channels that benefit from extended customer relationship management applications, such as Salesforce.com, the Revolution connector extracts an even bigger advantage with a cloud-driven three-way integration between CRM, CPQ, and ERP. Seamless integration between these world-class applications will revolutionize the unique challenges of the configure-to-order manufacturer. This is Noah. He's a sales rep at C1 Industries. He is the connection between their customer and their operations, responsible for capturing and communicating the customer's needs to operations. C1 Industries manufactures and assembles highly configurable delivery trucks designed to meet specific customer needs. When Noah begins conversing with a potential customer, he opens his browser to Configure One. Notice on the left that he has simple access to configurations, quotes, and orders. As he begins a configuration, he can begin to see the bill of material and pricing being developed in the upper left-hand corner. As he's speaking to the customer, he can walk through multiple configuration options to customize the product to meet the customer's requirements. As Noah changes the cab model and wheelbase options, he can visually see the effects of these changes and can see how they affect the BOM and pricing for his customer, helping him to guide conversation through the process. When Noah has completed all options, he will simply confirm the configuration design to create a quote. He will select the documents he wants to include in the quote package to his customer, and he will send it straight from Configure 1. Notice that he has a complete history of quote communications and tools to help collaborate on the opportunity. Notice also that the screen can be configured for dealer or customer self-service, allowing them to configure, then request a quote, or add to a shopping cart and even check out directly from Configure 1. The documents Noah has included to his customer, Acme Corporation, include a professional covered page, the quote document, including appropriate terms and conditions, drawings, spec sheets based on the custom configuration, and manufacturer documents. These awesome-looking documents should provide all his customer needs to seal this deal. He uses custom workflow to make sure that the sales process is monitored, appropriate engineers have visibility and are looped in as needed, and sign-offs from key team members can be acquired electronically to keep this deal moving smoothly and quickly through the process to closing. And that's it. He got the order. Converting the quote to an order in Configure 1 is all that needs to happen, and the connector will take it from there. Behind the scenes and in the cloud, Configure 1 and Plex are busy exchanging data. Customers and parts are kept synchronized, and sales orders, configured parts, BOMs, process routings, and customer parts are delivered to the Plex Smart Manufacturing platform. The entire planning and operations team has immediate visibility to the customer order and requirements to jumpstart the manufacturing process. Impressive Plex Smart Manufacturing tools like engineering and product lifecycle management are passed without effort or risk of manual error. Customer requirements are immediately visible to production and material planners. Control plans are attached for electronic quality management and SPC reporting. Material control and traceability are there to ensure superior quality control and recall management capabilities. And Plex's world-class production control and plant floor management systems provide a powerful, intuitive, and implementable real-time plant floor system, the backbone to materials management, quality, planning, and shop floor operations. And on through the business process to completely integrated shipping, EDI, and customer invoicing, the Plex Smart Manufacturing platform manages the customer requirements all the way through financial statements. You can see that we truly have reimagined the CTO opportunity to fulfillment business cycle with our world-class partners, Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform and Configure 1. We look forward to revolutionizing your connection between your customer and shop floor, energizing sales, amplifying your customer satisfaction, and growing your business. We thank you for your time and interest. If we can provide further information, you can reach us on our website or reach me directly through my email above. Thank you.